Welcome to our exploration of modern interpretations of wooden face carvings, a timeless art form that bridges the past and the present. Today, we'll dive into how contemporary artists are redefining this ancient craft, blending tradition with innovation to create unique pieces that reflect personal stories and cultural narratives. From cultural fusion and social commentary to the revival of traditional techniques, these artists are not just preserving heritage, they're transforming it. Join us as we celebrate the creativity and resilience of wooden face carvings in today's world. Handmade wooden face carvings are a captivating form of art that transcends mere aesthetic appeal. These carvings, often representing human faces, serve as a powerful medium for expressing cultural identity, spiritual beliefs, and historical narratives. Found in various cultures around the world, wooden face carvings embody the intricacies of human experience, connecting us to our ancestors and the spiritual world. Historical context. The history of wooden face carving can be traced back thousands of years, with evidence of this art form emerging in ancient civilizations. Early humans utilized wood as a malleable medium for their artistic expressions, creating carvings for both functional and ceremonial purposes. Ancient civilizations. In ancient Egypt, wooden figures were crafted for religious rituals, with carvings often representing gods and pharaohs. Similarly, in Mesopotamia, wood was used to create idols and figures that played a vital role in worship. The artistry involved in these early carvings laid the foundation for later developments in the craft. As societies evolved, so did their techniques and materials. In regions like Africa and the Americas, face carvings became more pronounced, often linked to tribal identities and spiritual beliefs. The arrival of European colonizers in these regions led to a blending of artistic traditions, further enriching the craft. Evolution of techniques. The methods of carving would have evolved over centuries, influenced by available tools and cultural exchanges. Early artisans relied on rudimentary tools like stone knives and shells, gradually transitioning to metal tools as they became available. This evolution allowed for greater precision and detail in carvings, enhancing their artistic quality. Cultural significance. The cultural significance of wooden face carvings cannot be overstated. They serve as powerful symbols of identity, history, and spirituality in various cultures around the globe. Modern interpretations of wooden face carvings. Wooden face carvings have a rich historical context, but in contemporary art, they have evolved to reflect modern values, identities, and aesthetic sensibilities. Artists today are reinterpreting traditional techniques and themes, creating pieces that resonate with both local and global audiences. This exploration involves a blend of cultural heritage, personal expression, and innovative artistry that challenges conventional boundaries. Cultural fusion and globalization. Intermingling of styles. With the rise of globalization, artists are increasingly blending traditional carving techniques with elements from diverse cultures. This fusion creates unique pieces that transcend geographical boundaries. For instance, a carver from Africa might incorporate motifs or techniques inspired by Asian art, resulting in a hybrid form that celebrates multiple heritages. Cross-cultural dialogue. Modern interpretations of wooden face carvings often serve as a platform for dialogue between cultures. By merging different artistic traditions, artists can address contemporary issues such as identity, migration, and multiculturalism. This dialogue fosters understanding and appreciation among diverse audiences. Personal expression. Individual narratives. contemporary artists are using face carvings to tell personal stories, moving away from strictly traditional representations. By infusing their works with personal experiences, emotions, and reflections on modern life, they create pieces that resonate on a deeper, more individual level. Exploration of identity. Many artists use wooden face carvings as a means to explore their own identities, often reflecting on intersections of culture, heritage, and personal experience. This exploration can challenge established norms and invite viewers to engage with complex narratives about race, gender, and social status. Contemporary themes. Social and political commentary. Modern wooden face carvings often address social and political issues. Artists may use their work to comment on topics like environmental degradation, social justice, and cultural appropriation. For instance, a carving might depict a face that embodies the struggle against climate change, serving as a powerful reminder of humanity's responsibilities. Mental health and emotional expression. Artists are increasingly exploring themes of mental health and emotional well-being through their carvings. By depicting expressions that convey vulnerability, strength, or conflict, they create a visual language that resonates with audiences grappling with similar issues. Innovative techniques and materials. Experimentation with materials. While traditional artisans often use specific types of wood, contemporary artists are experimenting with various materials. They may incorporate resin, metal, or mixed media to enhance their carvings, pushing the boundaries of what a wooden face carving can be. Social status and role. Hierarchy representation. In some cultures, the intricacy and size of a carving can denote social status. For example, in Polynesian culture, the carvings found in communal spaces may reflect the status of individuals within the tribe, with more elaborate pieces reserved for chiefs or respected elders. Role in society. Certain carvings may represent specific roles within the community, such as warriors, healers, or shamans. This representation helps to establish and maintain social structures and roles within the cultural framework. As we've seen, modern interpretations of wooden face carvings breathe new life into an ancient art form. These artists not only honor their cultural heritage but also challenge us to reflect on our identities and the world we live in. Their stories remind us that art is a powerful medium for connection, expression, and change. Each piece is a testament to creativity, resilience, and the enduring spirit of human expression. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of art and culture. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What do wooden face carvings mean to you? Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and remember, every piece of art has a story waiting to be told.